2014 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, Uconnect hands-free group, SIRIUS satellite radio, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.